Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply Manipur Inner Line Permit on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, I have made this video how you can do it on your desktop, but on your mobile device also you can do this. So in front of you I have opened this website on my Android device, but yes, you can open it in your iOS too, and you're gonna go for the website. Now multiple categories you see. So for short term tourism you need to apply as permit form C, I mean type C, you can say temporary permit form C, up to 30 days. Okay, and this is as an Indian, okay, you can apply from that, those who do not belong to Manipur. Okay, so it's written here, is issued to tourists, business travelers and short term visitors. It's valid up to 30 days and requires a government valid government issued photo ID for verification. Okay, so if you are going for the first time, you can need to click on apply as a new visitor. You can apply instantly with Aadhaar, that I will cover in a different video. Okay, and if you are reapplying, you can just go for reapply. Okay, so I click on this apply as a new visitor, and there's a fee that you need to pay. So first you put your name, parent, guardian name, ID proof. In this drop down you can select passport, Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, okay, whatever you have. ID number, email, mobile number, 10 digit, period of stay, where you are gonna stay, purpose of visit, whatever it is. If you select other, you need to provide information how you are gonna enter the state. Then your district, okay, applicant district, your residential area where you're staying, your local police station, your village, your tehsil, your house number. You need to agree and then you need to submit. Then it will ask you to pay the fee. Okay, and in this way it's gonna work for you. All right, this is a very simple process, but again question arrives about foreigners, like if you are, what if you are not an Indian citizen? So regulations and guidelines shall not apply to foreigners who shall be regulated and governed by Foreigner Protected Area 58 under the provision of Foreigner Act to India rules. Okay, so basically this inner line permit is for the people of other states, but as a foreigner, as a non-Indian passport holder, if you go, then there are separate rules that you need to follow. Okay, so that is how it is, guys. And again, there are other categories too that we will try to cover in other videos when I have that information and process studied and ready. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.